Look, it's been snowing a little. And it's blowing snow. Plow apparently came by briefly. There's a car under there somewhere.
You didn't get it. Oh my god, it's almost in my shirt.
You know, throwing it right on where we just shoveled is not a good idea, guys.
Yeah, well, point being.
Point being, we may as well not have. Don't do that.
Why? There's like a foot of snow on that car.
No. Guys.
Ooh, I want to write a message.
No, Beth. Because it's going to be...
No. Wait. No, Matt.
Mine!
You got I'm not looking back there. I know you have the snow wall. Fail.
That's purple too.
Smiley face.
Oh, look! A lot right here.
Ready, ready, ready.
Ah! I can do that too, Beth. Watch. Wait, my glove's not on. So
Why is your glove ever off?
I don't know.